Hey guys, I want to show you the most amazing opportunity at Treetops. It just came on the market today and it's called the Delight. What is the Delight? It is the multi-generational plan NextGen from Lennar. So Treetops, if you've never been there, they've got this 10-acre lake. It's beautiful. It was a home for disadvantaged youth with cabins. I'll show you those. But this is where I sat during the solar eclipse a year or two ago, right on this bench here, and just watched it get dark for a while. The multi-generational home that they're selling right now, by the way, this is the amphitheater for music. It's very rustic setting here. And then these cabins, as I said, they redid all the cabins. They built one more, I believe, and these are like centers for, you know, business and sewing and crafts and celebration and mail. And this is the 55 plus lifestyle. This is one of the big five, Lennar Treetops. And then they built this brand new amenity center. Up here is a large meeting room. Below is fitness, and in the back is the pool. Up front, this is the only 55 plus with an armed guard. It literally is gated. Just Trilogy and Treetops are gated, and only Treetops has an armed guard. Of course, pickleball, bocce ball, there's the back pool, big meeting area. It's just lovely, guys. Now, this is the model home complex, and if you've ever been there, this is where you've gone in. Right over here is where they built that Delight. The Delight is a next-gen, multi-generational home. And why are they selling the model? I don't know, but let's go buy it. There are a lot of reasons to love the Delight. So here's the rear of the home. We got the screen porch. We'll see it from the inside out. Got an outdoor kind of fireplace, and then this big, beautiful yard. And again, just to go back, right across the street is this park. Little putting green. So you're right across, you got woods in the back, you got a putting and kind of a park. That's where I did that video with Jack a few weeks ago. Stupid things that I ask Jack, the real estate dog. So a lot of reasons to love it. Off the back porch, it's screened, it's covered, and you would enjoy a lot of beautiful Carolina evenings out there, looking out to your fire pit and to your woods. I want to talk about the plan itself. It is a home within a home. In fact, if you wait till the end of this video, you can click on the link to show you a video tour of this exact home. So what you've got is a bedroom and a kind of a kitchenette, living room space for the multi-generational aspect. That's like your mother-in-law suite, and then your own front door. So you've got two front doors, one to come into this multi-generational in-law suite with a kitchen, living room, full bath, and bedroom, separate entry door. That is killer to keep that feeling of independence. And then you've also got your own master bedroom in the larger suite with a guest bedroom in there as well. It's a magnificent plan. You'll see the complete video tour and you'll hear my excitement about it. This is the main living area. And as you see, come up to the end of the video, that's the main kitchen. It's just normal. It's just under 2,100 square feet, and the price has just been reduced to just under $364K. This is an amazing opportunity for a multi-generational in a 55 plus community called Treetops. And by the way, you don't have to be 55. 20% of the folks in here can be under 55. So I love it. I suggest it. Give me a call at 704-345-3400. Ask me about Treetops. Ask me about the multi-generational next-gen plan called the Delight, and click that link on the screen to take a video tour of the Delight. I can't wait to talk to you soon and help you with this gorgeous home right around here, and I'll see you in the next video.